Hello everyone, welcome to the second module of this series. Today we will be learning all about text and typographies. On the left menu you can see text option. Click on that and you can get different types of options like add a heading, subheading or body to the text, or you can even add a text box. So we are adding a heading. Now for subheading we are adding text and typography. And by adding body text, we can give little context to whatever we have written. This is just for reference. We can even add a text box. Now you can select a text box and you can format it, like you can give bold, italics, underline, or strike through. And if you have more than one line, you can select that text box, or even for a single line, you can select that text box and give text spacing. You can give letter spacing, or you can give line spacing. You can also align, align using center, left or right alignment. Now select your text box and go to effects. You'll get a lot of effects there. I'm clicking on shadow for first. You can increase or decrease the offset or transparency, and you can also select the direction of the text, direction of the shadow. You can choose from other styles as well, like lift, halo, splice, outline, echo, glitch, neon. And you can adjust it accordingly. You can also give a background. You can increase or decrease the transparency of the background, or you can select the color. You can increase or decrease the roundness and the spread of background. And you can curve the text. You can even adjust the curve of the text from that curve slider that we have below the curve option. Now there is a very interesting feature. Go to apps, search for Typecraft. You can add any text you want. For example, I am writing here Canva module. You can choose from the font. And you can add a warp effect. And you can add the design. It will show on your canvas. You can change the warp effect as well. And update the element. And it will show on your canvas. Now because I don't want it on my canvas, so I'll be deleting it. Next, if you want to add text to an element, you can add the element. And if I want to add text in it, I can directly double click on the element and you can see that cursor. Here you can add your text. And if you do not wish to do that, you can also add a text box. And you can add your text and you can adjust it accordingly in the element, or you can increase the font size from the above header. You can click a text box and on the right corner you can see copy style. You can copy it and paste that exact same style in any other text box and your style will be copied. You can change the color of your text from the above header that you have. You can choose from the lot of options that are available, or you can change the gradient colors as well. You can go to see all options and there are a lot of options to choose from. You can also change the font style. You can search for any font style or you can choose any readily available font style that are available there. There are a lot of options. So mostly for case competitions, we use Canva Sans only. You can insert a line and you can also add text in the line. You can double click on the line. You can double click on the line and you can add your text. And you can also increase or decrease the transparency of the text. That's all for today's video and we can continue from next episode. Thank you.